Ayan, hello everybody. This is another vlog. A collaboration with Mamo Jinx, the massage therapist.
Massage therapist.
Yes. Yan, shout out Yung sa mga hindi pa connect with Mamo Jinx, sige, wag lang kayo dyan.
Bukan nyo.
Yan. My massage.
So how can I do a massage if this person is not wearing a proper kita na magmamassage tayo. She really wants to get a real massage, but she's still wearing pajamas. So I'm gonna use baby oil. Powered by aloe vera. Aloe fresh. Hydrate. You have to
Eat. Bulaga. Eat. Bulaga. Massage. Kakanta pa po dapat. Ano yan eh? Tipo daw ng manggagawa. Tigas eh. It's Mamo Jinx. Massage. Lagyan natin ng ano. At hello. Lagyan natin ng karton.
now I look for if the bones broken, you cannot have your finger bend. Indiano yung yung art.
Pinakamura na yun.
Oo, mura na yun ah.
Tumangas.
Eh, magkano na Mama Jinx ang Cairo, isang session sa Cairo? Wala pang 30 minutes yun. Ano na, nasa 5,000 na lang.
Oo. Cairo.
Mga tao lang, ilang tao na mga Di ba? Ayun na.
Ang 50 lang yan ang mahirap.
Ikwenta nga lang kasama kandila.
Tatawasan nyo.
Ito po yun. May dahil libreng buga.
Hindi. May kandel. Sorry po. Nabibiwan lang kami dalawa. Wala kami magawa. Ako magalit.
Joke lang. Kaya mahaba. Nilakan. Mamaya babulutan niyo ng lumpia factory. Kasi ito lagi, itong namamaga lagi. Ang utak.
Hindi naman siya.
Ganun yan. Tapos pagka
Hindi
hindi,
naman siya.
ah,
For those who have problem in carpal tunnel, who have pain on the hands, in your arms, all you have to do is to stretch your finger like this. As much as you can. So count 15 counts, 3 times repetition.
how many times a day?
You can do
Of
3
course.
times a day, 2 times a day. It's depending on
Mm-mm.
you. And then after, because you will see, you will feel the contractions of the
Hanggang
Yeah.
until you can stretch it. Okay.
stretch. And like this. Yes, see. Because if you are not doing any exercises on your finger, a finger each has a rubber, it's like a rubber. That's what we're doing like this. So if you cannot bend it like this, if you see a problem on it, blood, that's circulating your finger. So you have to stretch, count again, 3 repetition, 15 counts. Then after that, you open it a little, slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you feel. Again, so you do it 3 times, 15 counts, 3 repetition. And then after, you go in the middle.
Ikaw ba ano?
Oh, see? Because it has water retention sometimes.
Kasi I have like a
Kasi
carpal tunnel
nga,
left and right.
We have a carpal tunnel syndrome. For those who have carpal tunnel syndrome, it's one of
Kahit dito kita.
otherwise, if you want, you can
Ganyan lang. Hindi ko siya maian.
do it. Depend. Like this. Okay. Stretch. Stretch.
Ito masakit.
More stretch again, it's okay. Stretch as you can, come back. Come back. Again, stretch. Come back. Go make me tutorial. Pasuloy mo kamay. Yes. Or you can do like this.
Yan, get yung tinuro sa akin yung ganyan.
Yes.
Yan. This is the one
day. We're not doing anything this. As long as the pain is there, then do it.
Alam mo yung pagka ginano mo, ang sakit yung dito. Alam mo ba yun?
Kuryente yun.
Okay. Sabi ko, tumusok.
Kuryente.